Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use SafeSend returns. To begin, you'll receive an email from our firm indicating that your return is ready for review and your approval. You will then receive another email from one of our team members. This email will provide a summary for the returns that are included in SafeSend. For example, this return includes your federal 1065 with no balance due or an overpayment, your New Jersey 1065 with no balance due and an overpayment. In this same email, you'll be able to click on this link if you have any issues and troubleshooting. To begin, we'll go to the email from our firm, click the email, and click Let's Get Started. And just to note, up here, there's a contact person's information with your individual's WG's contact. If you have any questions, please feel free to email this person. Okay, so from here, we'll click Get Started, and we are going to need to request a code for authentication. We'll click Send Code, and that will be sent to your email address. Go back here. Let's hit copy and let's paste it and let's hit confirm. This will grant you access into SafeSend. Now on this screen, on the left side, you'll see a summary of all the overpayments credited to next year. So for New Jersey, we see the overpayment of $225 going to the next year as an example. If there are any payments due with the returns, those will be included here as well. Along with any estimated tax payments, we are noting for the following year. Here are 3 quick action items if you would just like to review your documents or go directly to sign your documents or to distribute any K1s. For now, let's go through the entire process. We will click Get Started. Here, you will receive a simple greeting and providing some information on your specific contact person. On the next screen, it will provide you the ability to review your return. You can also download your documents onto your personal files. In other videos, we will show how to forward copy to other recipients for their review as well. Now, on this screen, we'll talk about how we can sign this return. In other videos, we'll discuss how we can manually sign or delegate to someone else for signature. Click e-sign. Please note that since this is a business return, we won't have any other knowledge-based authentication. However, please note for individual returns, you'll be required to provide a KBI, a knowledge-based authentication. To start, let's click Start, and we will be taken to every action item that is required to fill in the necessary action steps. For signature, click Signature, and you can either type or draw your signature. You click Title, type in your title, and the date will automatically populate to today's date. If there are additional forms to be signed, you will click Next. Again, click Signature. Title is already pre-populated from the previous screen, and then phone number. Once all actions have been completed, there will be a button next to Complete. We will be able to click Next for Finish. Once you have finished signing all required e-file authorizations, a notification will be sent to one of our team members stating that the forms have been signed. Here, you will have the ability, since this is a business return, to distribute K1s to your partners, either electronically or mail hard copies. For individuals or C Corps, this would not be applicable, but for partnerships and S Corps, we have the ability to distribute these K1s. On this screen, if there were any payments made, this is the summary of your payments that are required for payment. But for here, you'll have a summary of all your overpayment credits to the next year. Here, you will also have the ability to download your documents to save onto your personal files, view or forward any tax documents to any individuals, and download any of the signed documents you have just previously signed into your personal folder. As always, please let us know if you have any questions as you navigate through SafeSend. We're always happy to help. Thank you.